is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialties is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental rug that is saturated with a dog or cat urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, any. No deodorized, no enzyme, and no PeePee. Guarantee. So let me show you what I have today. Hello. Moses have Oriental rug with a dog's urine odor. Really bad. Not the Moses from the Bible. Moses from Texas. Mr. Moses from Texas sent me a 125-pound Oriental rug saturated with a dog's urine odor. Mr. Moses tried everything before he shipped the rug from Texas to Florida. He tried himself to clean the rug. He sent it to a local Oriental rug cleaner. And his end, leaving the rug in a garage. Going on Google, typing Oriental rug cleaning from urine odor, Mr. Moses saw my video on YouTube. He was convinced that I'm the only one can remove the urine odor permanently. Reading the review on Google, prove that what I said it's true. Take a look at this amazing cleaning process that show me every step of the way what's coming from your rug. All the soap that you used before, all the enzyme, the deodorize, the PeePee, everything's flush out through the rug. And this is how I receive 100 5-star reviews on Google. And I'm planning to keep it. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing no trace of urine odor. I specialize of cleaning Oriental rug, silk, wool, and I love doing it because I invented the PetPeePee name and the PetPeePee system. Odor-free, organic cleaning process, PetPeePee. PetPeePee, before and after. A cleaning process that makes sense. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.